Hi students, good morning. I hope you all are enjoying the classes and I am happy also that you all are posting your works without fail. But some of you all are not posting your works okay. So make sure that you'll post the works because it is good for you all only. And today we will just go to the grammar part no lesson, okay. You just go to your 6th class English 6th class English text, okay. And see, we came to the first lesson, clever Tenali Ramakrishna. So already here we have read the story, we understood it, we took a meaning from it. Okay, ma. So it was a clever example to us, clever example to us, and we have completed the lesson totally successfully. We finished the grocery as a homework, and coming to page number 6, ma. See, in the previous class, my students, are you all clear, ma? In the sixth page number 6, ma. See, we came to the whether the following statements are true or false. So actually, what happened, many students, they did not understand this. So they asked me to just explain again. So, see, in the lesson, what we have studied, we have studied the topic, ma. So from that lesson only, some statements are given. Some statements are given in the statements regarding the lesson, which are true and which are false. Just an example, I'll just tell you, roughly I'll go. Chaitra Varma was a famous carpenter. So it is false. Why? Because he was not a carpenter, he was a painter. Emperor Sri Krishna Deva Raya awarded a lot of gold coins to Chaitra Varma. So that is false. So he did not award him gold coins. He made him his advisor. Okay, ma. Tenali Ramakrishna was a poet and jester in Emperor Sri Krishna Deva's court. Yes, this is true. This is true. Coming again, Tenali Ramakrishna prepared a delicious dinner for the emperor. It was not dinner, ma. It was lunch. Okay, ma. So it is false. Emperor Sri Krishna Deva Raya realized his mistake at the end. Yes, correct, exactly. He realized his mistake. So this is true. So I asked you to write the correct statements. To write the correct statements which were false. This is what I gave you also. And coming again here, I gave you some opposites here. That also I gave you as homework. Happy, unhappy, sufficient, insufficient, mature, immature, agree, disagree, responsible, irresponsible. So these are somewhat some opposites, ma. Some opposites. Example, we just say big, small, old, young. Okay, again you can say large, tiny, black, white. Okay, ma. Open, close. So there are many examples, ma. Many examples you all have learned in the fourth standard and fifth standard also. So this is nothing new for you all. Because so what happened now? These are the opposites. We say these are the antonyms. Coming again here, they asked to complete some more opposites here, ma. The words are given, and they asked for the opposite word. See, this also I explained to you all. I remember I explained to you all. But I'm just going again to you all because I don't want to go to the second unit without being this as clear. Okay, ma. So be okay. My students must understand it with clarity. Balance, imbalance. Am I clear, ma? You can see I already finished it, ma. Legal, illegal. Regular, irregular. Acceptable, unacceptable. Comfort. Okay, uncomfortable you can say. If not, we can say discomfort. Valid, invalid. So this also I explained to you all. Now we let's go to some words are given here, ma. So page number 7. Some words are given here. It's like we have to the words are given here. We have to find the noun form. We have to find the noun form. See example now. They gave improve, discuss, depress, confuse, enrich, threat. This is what they gave, ma. So they asked for the noun forms. I finished it here. Why now? Because if you all have any doubts, but don't see it, ma. Okay. If you all have doubts, then you can just check the online class first. Okay, ma. See here. When they ask for the noun form of the word improve means what can say na? Improvement. What, ma? It is improvement. Discuss, discussion. Depress, depression. Confuse, confusion. Enrich, okay, enrichment. Treat, treatment. So these are the common words which are used, ma. These are the noun forms for the words given here. And again, See here, again you have come again. It's all regarding the lesson only, ma. All regarding the lesson only. It's not out of the lesson, okay? It's all in the lesson only. See here, they gave words like see, reward, blessings, snapped, personal, matter. See, 10 words are given to you all. And out of these words, they ask you all to make out, find a new word in this. In these words only, you have to find a new word. Okay, ma? So, today we'll see what is the new word here, ma. See, REWARD, reward. On the game, reward they gave. So, REWARD, reward. So, in this reward, now we can find out a word, a new word, what now? WAR, war. So, in the reward, we can find a new word, no? Which is known as war. It's known as war. Here again they gave blessings, BLESSINGS, blessings. Here also we find a new word, LESS, less, means few. Snapped, 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 they gave. Here also in the word snap, we can find a new word known as nap, NAP, nap. Am I clear? Personal, PERSONAL, personal. So, in the word personal, we can get a new word, SON, son. Am I clear, ma? Son. Again, they gave you a word, matter, MATTER, matter. In the word matter, we can find a new word known as MAT, mat. MAT, mat. The same way, continue, CONTINUE, continue. The word continue means prolongs, which goes on. So, in this word, we can find a new word known as TIN, tin, means dabba. Yeah, ma? ASSURE, assure, is a new word. Assure means guarantee, confirm. So, in this word, so if I can get a new word known as SURE, sure means confirm. Assure, sure, there's no difference. GOLD, gold, precious. In the word gold, we can get the word old, OLD, old. Is it ma? Properly, PROPERLY, properly. In the word properly, we got ROPE, rope, thadu. Am I clear? Slowly, SLOWLY, slowly. In the word slowly, we got the word low, LOW, low. Can you see my students? See, I don't know. Tin, come, assure, sure, old, rope, 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 slowly, LOW, low. So these are the new words to the words which are given and asked. This is page number 7. So here the grammar part is clear and I gave in the grammar part with the answers. Previously I did not give the answers. I asked you all to prepare and post the answers, but many of you all couldn't do it, ma. So that's why I'm giving you all the answers, ma. So you'll write these answers in textbook. Coming again to, we just go to page number here, page number 16. Am I clear, students? Page number 16, ma. Ready? Take your pencils again. Be clearly, ma. Understand the topic now and telling you all. And then you can make out the answers which are given here. Okay. Which are given in the graph here. Okay. So this is a bill, ma. What is this? This is a bill. So where is the bill made now? Study as here. Study the bill and answer the questions. So the bill is given here. So we have to see the bill and answer the questions which are given below. Which are given below. So what are the questions? Bill's name is Mahalakshmi Stores. What, ma? The bill is coming from where? The bill is coming from Mahalakshmi Stores. 512 SKML Temple Road. So this is where Mahalakshmi Stores is located. And the place is Vijayanagaram. The place is where? In Vijayanagaram. So Mahalakshmi, clearly, Mahalakshmi Stores is located in this door number, Temple Road, Vijayanagaram. And this is the phone number. This is the phone number. So this is the address where Mahalakshmi Stores is located. And so we got the bill from where? We got the bill from Mahalakshmi Stores. And the bill was given on what date, ma? So the purchase was done on when? 21/7/2020. So this was the date when the customer purchased these items, you can say these are stationaries, because we can find pens, erasers, sharpeners, notebooks and charts. So these all come under stationery. So the stationery was bought when on 21/7/2020. So this is the bill. And who purchased all this? These were purchased by a person named Srinivas. Why? Because it's given, the bill is mentioned on whose name? Srinivas' name. Can you understand, the bill was purchased, the person who purchased these stationery items from Mahalakshmi Stores, which was located at Vijayanagaram, his name is Srinivas. So we'll see what are the items he bought. See, first one, he bought pens, erasers, sharpeners, notebooks, charts. So he bought 5 items which belong to the stationery. And pens, how many pens he bought? 10 pens. Erasers he bought 5. Sharpeners he bought 2. Notebooks he bought 2. Charts he bought 12. And the cost of each one. So each one is costing 10 rupees. So each pen is costing 10 rupees. Each eraser is costing 5 rupees. Sharpener is costing 5 rupees. Each notebook is costing 40 rupees. Charts of 5 rupees. Each chart is 5 rupees. So this is what, this is single rate. Double with this to double it. Okay, so this is the amount. And the total amount for whatever you bought, these numbers, the total bill came up to 275. What is the bill, totally? 275. Okay, see here. So, because he bought 10 pens. So each pen is costing 10 rupees. So how many pens is 10 rupees costing? So 10 tens are 100. 5 5s 25. So this is multiplication, 2 sharpeners, 2 5s are 10. So 2 sharpeners cost 10 rupees. 2 40, 80. So this is what my total is. So now you all understood the chart. Now we'll answer the questions which are given below. Am I clear? So what is the name of the shop? First of all, what is the name of the shop? The shop name. What is the shop name? Mahalakshmi Stores. What shop name? Mahalakshmi Stores. Am I clear? See the shop name. What is the shop name? Mahalakshmi Stores. So what you must write here? What the shop name is? Directly, you don't have to write the shop name is Mahalakshmi Stores. Not necessary. Just go to the point. Mahalakshmi Stores. What is the customer's name? So who bought these? The customer who bought the stationery. What is his name is? His name is Srinivas. What his name is? Srinivas. Am I clear, ma'am? So when did he buy the above things? So the date, they are asking for the date. When did he buy the above things? When were these bought? From Mahalakshmi Stores by Srinivas. They were bought when 21/7/2020. This is the date. Wait for the bill. So how much money did he pay to the shopkeeper? So what was the bill? What is the total amount did he pay to the shopkeeper? So this is the bill, How much he paid? He paid 275 rupees. How much he paid, He paid 275. So this is the total amount. Who paid? Srinivas paid. To whom Srinivas paid? He paid to the shopkeeper. Which shopkeeper? Mahalakshmi Stores. Okay, ma'am? How many pens did the customer buy? So pens. How many pens did the customer? The customer in sense Srinivas. So how many pens did he buy? Here, pens. He bought number. How many pens he bought, He bought 10 pens. How many pens? 10 pens. Am I clear, What is the price of one notebook? So, notebooks, Come to notebooks. He bought 2 notebooks, How many he bought? He bought 2 notebooks. And what is the price of one notebook? So, one notebook is how much, Is 40 rupees. Rupees 40. So, this is how you fill in the thing, You fill in the, this kind of charts, bar charts. Okay, Am I clear to all my students? So, we have completed now the first unit, The first unit total, the grammar part has been completed without anything. And even many of you all post the homeworks, while some of you all did not post, which I am not happy with it. I am not happy, See, so the grammar part is completed and unit 1 is completed. So, from the next class onwards, we will go into another interesting chapter, a new story. The snake catcher. This is a very excellent story. So I want to keep you all in surprise. So this will be a surprising class for you all in the next class, ma. Am I clear to all students, ma? Am I sure? So this is what today we went through, ma. So your homework is complete your textbook part, ma. Complete your textbook part where in your textbook itself, not in the CW. Complete textbook part in the textbook. Okay, and post it to me, ma. Just take out the snaps, the photos, and post it to me, ma. Okay, my students. The total grammar part I want. The total grammar part way of unit 1. The total grammar part of unit 1 must be completed and post it to me without fail. I want the works to be done. And I know my students will do it accordingly. Okay, my students? Bye. Take care, ma.